Today's video is unique. It's about us. It's about our channel. I'm going to talk about in today's video how you can become more learned investors. I'm going to talk about how you can get an opportunity to get to know about stock of the month, which will be about a particular company, wherein I'll be talking about fundamental analysis angle as well as technical analysis angle. We are going to learn about a company from all the 360 degrees angle, and you're going to get a chance to become a more learned investor. Beware, this video is only for those who feel that they are into the serious learners category. If you feel that you are here only for time pass, then please feel free to skip this video. For all those who feel you want to be into the more and more learned category, please stay connected with this video, and also know that we are going to talk about more and more announcements at the end of this video. Hi guys, Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to today's video. As I mentioned in the first part of the video, I have told you that today's video is about our channel. And you can see that there is a new button on our channel. And what's that? It's the join button. I'm sure many of you might be wondering that what this join button is all about. So today I'm going to explain to you what are these YouTube memberships and why is that join button appearing on our channel. YouTube memberships are memberships wherein the creator basically is allowed to give some additional content, some exclusive content to its viewers. Which creator is eligible to start membership? So basically a creator who crosses the 30,000 subscribers landmark is eligible to start memberships. In simple words, it's a way to earn additional revenue from YouTube. You might be wondering that I'm about to touch 4 lakh subscribers on the channel now, and still why haven't I started these subscribers or subscriptions? The reason is very simple. Till date, I was doing YouTube as a part-time thing, and my journey on YouTube has been uploading only 1 video per month, wherein it went from 1 video per month to today it is 2 videos per week. And for those who know, I am uploading video every Wednesday and every Saturday. But then I hope you understand what kind of research goes into that. I am very happy that you are commenting very positively on the content, on the quality of the video. But please understand how much homework and how much research goes into making every single video. I had been struggling to giving quality content as well as continuing my routine, wherein my routine used to compose of going as a visiting faculty to 5 different MBA colleges in Pune, which I've done till the immediate previous semester. I was a SEBI resource person, so I used to take up various lectures at various organizations in Pune. I used to also take up various corporate trainings, and alongside doing all these things, I used to be doing YouTube videos. But then somewhere I started getting stressed out a lot, and the demand from you all, the love and affection that you have been giving you all to me, that was somewhere bringing me to make a decision. It has to be either or rather than and, because somewhere it was taking a toll on me and I was not able to focus on giving you more and more content. So I was not able to push myself beyond Wednesday and Saturday. So I thought that rather than being a part-time YouTuber, let's try out doing YouTube as a full-time profession. If I have to do that, I have to do it with my whole heart and soul. Please be aware that even if I'm starting memberships on my channel, my free content, which is uploaded on every Wednesday and Saturday, is not going to stop. Okay? So whatever I'm going to talk about in this video is going to be something more than this video. Okay? So I'm going to do more videos for you, more exclusive videos for you, more fundamental, more technical analysis for you. But how will you get a chance to get access to these exclusive videos? Just now I said that I'm going to tell you how can you get an access to the exclusive content on my channel. You can get this access by joining my memberships. Now how can you join my memberships? As I mentioned in the first part of the video, there's a join button that you can see on my channel. Once you click on the join button, you will see a screen where you have 3 different levels of membership. I always tell you that you have to be an informed investor, and I hope you will appreciate the fact that this is going to help you to gain a lot more knowledge in the field of finance. Again, be aware, if you don't want this extra content, if you don't want this additional content, you are absolutely free to continue with my free videos, which are going to anyways appear on my channel every Wednesday and every Saturday. But if you want to go that one extra step, if you want to run that extra mile to be not physically fit but to be financially fit, then I think you should try this out at least. Go at least for a 1-month membership. If you feel you are enjoying it, then you can consider revisiting and continuing with this membership. This will also help yourself to gain additional knowledge in this finance and also simultaneously support my channel. I hope you've enjoyed this video. That's it from my side. Jai Hind. Bye-bye.